So welcome to all of you Shiksha 360. Basically, we will provide classes for ABM, BFM, and retail. And for all classes, you can mail to our email ID or you can join our Telegram group. Clear? So let's start. Today we will discuss basically one case study, that is case study number 10. And this case study is basically based on the chapter number 9, GDP concept. Clear? GDP concept. And this case study is related to the GDP, GNP, NDP, and NNP. Clear? As basically we have already discussed in the chapter number 9, part 1, regarding the GDP, GNP, and in that session we have discussed NDP, NNP, and one important point: what is market price, what is factor cost. Clear? What is market price, what is factor cost. Clear? And here, while solving the question, clear, and here basically while solving the question, you have to remember all these examples. Clear? Basically all the definitions. Clear? Here while solving the question, basically you have to remember all the definitions. Clear? That is very helpful for you. Clear? That is very helpful for you. That's why I'm saying that basically you have to remember all the definitions. Clear? And how basically it helps, let's discuss the first question. Let's move towards the first question, and basically it leads to basically how it will helpful for us. Clear? So let's move towards the first question. So first question here, it is basically they are asking that basically we have to calculate the GDP at MP. Clear? GDP at the market price. So basically how we can calculate, basically we have to calculate basically GDP at the factor cost plus net indirect taxes. Clear? Basically in this way basically we have to going to calculate. So basically what we have to include under the GDP at the factor cost. Clear? So when we are going to discuss factor cost, clear, so what are the factors are there? So basically factors of production are land in the factor cost. What are the factors? First one is the land, labor, capital, entrepreneur, clear. Basically all these things, clear, all these things, clear, are there. So now basically we have to calculate the GDP at the market price. So let's check one by one basically what we have to include here is. So first of all, factor cost plus net indirect taxes. Clear? So net indirect taxes, it basically means that we have to include at least rupees 450 here. So we will add here 450 crore. Next one, operating surplus is to be added. Yes, basically this is also come to the company basically. So this is also we had added. Mixed income of the self-employed. Yes, this is basically we will include here or include here. Next one, rent we are not including here. Profit we are not including here. Clear? Fixed consumption of fixed capital. Clear? Basically this is capital, so we have to also include here. Net factor income from abroad, this is basically not. Net factor income up from abroad basically only when it comes the term national. Clear? It is basically domestic, so in domestic there is no role of the term abroad. Clear? Compensation of employees, basically we can say that like salary to employees. Clear? Compensation of employees, basically we can say that like salaries to employees. Clear? So basically which we have to add also 1000. So when we are going to add this one, clear, 2000 plus 1000, 3000 plus 1000, 4000. This is 45,000, 4500. Clear? 4500 plus 450. 4500 plus 450. It comes out to be 4950. Clear? It comes out to be 4950. So this is our answer. Clear? So it comes out to be 4950. Clear? So this is our answer. Option number D is the answer. So GDP at the market price. Clear? So basically it comes out to be 4950. Clear? GDP at the market price. Basically it comes out to basically GDP at the factor cost plus net indirect taxes. Clear? Plus net indirect taxes. Clear? What we have to include under the net indirect taxes, if you have any doubt, and IT net indirect tax. Basically, we have to under indirect tax minus subsidy. This is basically comes under the net indirect tax. So next question which we have to discuss here is calculate the GNP at market price. Clear? Basically calculate the GNP. GNP basically we have to GNP gross national product. If we have market price, if we have given GDP at market price. Clear? So basically here G is the same, the technique P is the same. So basically how we can come towards a national. Here it is to be domestic. Clear? So basically national basically means that more if it is domestic, if it is to be, this one is to be national. Clear? National is always more than the domestic. Clear? General, you have to remember one thing basically, that national is always more than the domestic. Clear? So basically how we can move towards that. Clear? Basically how we can move towards that, or how we will go towards that. Basically national becomes domestic plus NFIA. Net factor income from abroad. Clear? Basically net factor income from abroad. So basically what we have given here, net factor income from abroad here is to be rupees minus 50. It basically means that we are sending more money to the abroad than basically we are getting money from the abroad. Clear? Basically we are sending more money to the abroad, that's why it is basically in a negative. Clear? Basically that's why it is basically in negative. So basically we have already calculated. Clear? We have already calculated GDP at market price plus NFIA. So it comes out to basically 4950 plus NFIA, that is minus 50. So 4950 minus 50. It comes out to basically 4900 crore. Clear? It comes out to basically 4900 crore. So gross national product at market price. Clear? Basically gross national product at market price, it basically comes out to be 4900 crore. Clear? It comes out to basically 4900 crore. Clear? So basically you have to remember the concept. One thing I will tell you, basically you have to remember the concept while solving the question. Clear? You have to remember the concept while solving the question, not to cram the formulas. Clear? Basically not to cram the formulas. Clear? Because if you are cramming, then it will not let to move towards the correct answer. Clear? So basically you have to remember the concept which we have discussed in the session number 1 of chapter 9. Clear? So I request to all of you. Clear? And this question, basically this type of question, they will ask in the examination of 5 marks. Clear? Basically 5 mark case study. Definitely you will expect one case study from this chapter. Next, move towards the next question. Next one is basically NNP. And NP, basically we can say that NNP at market price. Clear? So basically it means that net national product. So net national product, basically we can say that if we are given GDP at market price. Clear? So here it is, P is the same. National is one side it is national, on other side it is domestic. So basically we have to one add thing NFIA. Clear? So it becomes national is equal to domestic plus NFIA. It is the same. Now here it is net, here it is to gross. Clear? So net is always less than the gross. Clear? So net is always less than the gross. So basically we have to deduct here is to be depreciation. And depreciation is basically of which thing? Basically it is always of the fixed capital of our assets. Clear? We can say that it is of our fixed capital, or we can say that of our assets. So basically GDP at market price, which we have already calculated, 4950. This is to minus 50. So what is the depreciation here? Depreciation is basically not this one, not this one, not this one. So depreciation here comes out to be this one. Clear? Consumption on fixed capital. Clear? Basically consumption on fixed capital, which we have to use as a depreciation. Clear? Basically this which we have used as a depreciation. So basically we have to subtract that also. Clear? So basically here we have to subtract that also. So minus 400. So it comes out to basically 4500 crore. Clear? it comes out to basically 4,500 crore. Clear? So basically in the examination, in this way, I request to all of you, please solve the question. Clear? Basically, you will use this way. Clear? Basically, like how I am solving. Clear? Basically, how I am remembering the formulas. Clear? That's why I will take at least 2 to 3 minutes while describing each question, because my motive is basically you have to remember. Clear? Basically, how I can move towards the question. Clear? And how I can discuss that question. Clear? Now move to the next question, question number 4. Hope it is clear to all of you basically how we can calculate the net national product. Clear? Basically, if we are given the gross domestic product. Clear? If we are given the gross domestic product, and on the basis of that, basically how we can calculate the net national product. Now move towards the question number 4. This is basically calculate net national product at the fixed cost. Sorry, at the factor cost. Clear? Net national product at the factor cost. So basically what we have done, one thing, net national product at the factor cost, basically as we all know that basically here we can calculate net national product at the market price. Clear? So basically market price is basically is equal to factor cost plus net indirect taxes. Market price is equal to basically factor cost plus net indirect taxes. So factor cost is basically is equal to market price net indirect taxes. So what is the market price here? Basically net NNP at factor cost is equal to NNP at market price minus NIT. So we have already given basically NNP at market price. This is basically 4,500 crore. So write it here 4,500 crore. And net indirect taxes, basically net indirect taxes is basically 450 crore. So we have to subtract 450 crore from here. So basically how much we will get? 4,050 crore. Clear? So basically net national product. Clear? Net national product at the factor cost is to be equal to 4,050 crore. Clear? It is to be equal to 4,050 crore. Clear? Till now, basically, I have already posted 3 more case studies on this chapter. Clear? Basically, on this topic. So I request to all of you, please solve that case studies also. Clear? That's why I will discuss only one case study here in our today's session. So basically, I want that you are also able to try the case study. Clear? And I request to all of you, please solve your case studies and post your solutions in our Telegram group. Clear? I will check and I will tell you basically where you are facing any doubt if you are facing. Clear? So here I think it is clear to all of you basically how we can calculate the net national product at the factor cost. Clear? I think it is clear to all of you basically how we can calculate the net national product at the factor cost. Please ask if you have any doubt, any query till now. Now move towards the last question of our discussion. Basically what this says that if an Indian owns a business firm in the US, clear? Basically one Indian, basically we can say that Robin is basically belongs from the Hyderabad, but presently he is working in US and earns profit from that. Clear? Basically he starts a business and earns profit from that. So it would be included that. Clear? So what it would be included that. Clear? Basically this point which we have already discussed in our class session, basically this is directly pick up from the book. Clear? So basically it would included in the GNP of India and GDP of the US. Yes, it is correct. Clear? Basically GNP, gross national product. Clear? So national, it comes basically income from the abroad also. Clear? Basically it will included under the GNP of India and GDP of the US. Clear? Basically GDP of the US basically means gross domestic product of the US. Clear? Because the business is done in the US and profit is also in the US. Clear? And basically here, but some portion comes to India also, that is basically comes under the GNP of India and GDP of the US. Clear? So option number A is the correct answer. Clear? So option number A is the correct answer. Clear? So in this session we have to discuss up to this much point, this much question. So basically in this session we have discussed one case study and basically we are used only those formulas. Clear? Here basically we are using those formulas which we have already discussed in our session number 1. Clear? Chapter 9 part 1. Clear? So I request to all of you, like today I have posted one more case study on personal income. That is basically, these are some new points which will be added in the book. So I request to all of you, please try to solve the case study on that. Clear? Please try to solve the case study, which I will also provided you in the video form. Clear? Later on, which I will also provided you in the video form in your Telegram group. Clear? So I request all of you, please try to solve. So thanks to all of you for attending this session.